Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickUp for goal tracking and time blocks, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.clickup.com and press enter. Once the ClickUp homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can choose to log in using your email and password or via Google or Slack. If you're using email, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you'd like to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your ClickUp dashboard. This is the central hub for all your tasks and projects. To track your goals, locate the Goals section in the sidebar. Click on Goals to access your goal tracking tools. Here, you can create and monitor your objectives. To add a new goal, click on the plus New Goal button at the top. Fill in the required information, such as the goal title and description. You can also set a due date and assign members if necessary. After entering the details, click Create Goal to save it. Now, let's move on to time blocking. Return to your dashboard by clicking Home in the sidebar. Locate the Time Blocks feature. Click on it to set your time management preferences. To create a new time block, click the plus Add Time Block button. Select the date and specify the start and end times for your block. You can also provide a description of what you aim to accomplish during this period. After you've entered your information, click Save to finalize your time block. Repeat this process to create multiple time blocks as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.